Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare bread pizza. Simple bread pizza that can be easily made with the items available at home. We all eat bread for breakfast, most of us in fact. So let's try this recipe out. The ingredients that I require to make this recipe are I have taken 4 slices of bread, here little bit of bell pepper or green capsicum. You can take other colors also, red, yellow bell peppers if you have. I have taken little bit of sweet corn. I have taken a little bit of onion and I have chopped it. As you can see here, I have taken little bit of oregano, chili flakes. Here I have taken tomato ketchup. This is a ready-made tomato ketchup that we get from in the market. Cheese cubes, very important. I'm using the normal cheese cubes and butter. So now let's get started. Let's start this yummy recipe. So now the very first step that we are going to do is we'll take this ketchup and we will apply them on the bread. I'm not putting butter, I'm putting ketchup. This will give a sweet taste to our pizza. On all the 4 slices of bread, I will apply this. Now the next step is I'm going to add the remaining ingredients to this. The veggies. First I'll put the capsicum. Place them nicely. You can add whatever vegetable you want. Different color of bell peppers. You can add olives. Now I'll put the onions. Now the sweet corn. Sure, I have added all the veggies into this. Now I'm going to grate the cheese. So I'm using the cheese cubes with the help of a grater. As you can see, if you like more cheese, you can add more cheese. This is the normal cheese cube that we get in the market. So here, now we will cook these pizzas. So now I have heated this pan. I'll reduce the flame. As you can see, my pan is heated, smoke is coming out. I will add the butter. After adding the butter, I'm going to take the bread slices, and on a low flame I'll first place the bread slices, our bread pizzas. Four pizzas. Now I will increase the flame and I will cover this and cook for 1 minute only. What will happen, friends? The cheese will melt and our pizzas will be ready. So now let's cook this for 1 minute. Make sure you cover your pan. So now after 1 minute, I'll remove the lid, and here is our bread pizza ready. As you can see, friends, perfectly the cheese has melted. So now I will take it out and I will put it in the serving tray. It will be quite crispy. So now here is our pizza is here. I will put little oregano, sprinkle the oregano in it. And chili flakes. If you're making it for children, you don't need to sprinkle these chili flakes. Oregano is enough. Now it's ready to serve. So now we can savor these lovely pizzas, bread pizzas. It's very crispy and very tasty too. It can be easily made. You can pack this for the lunchbox also. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. And do let me know how you liked this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.